Hello Hacktubers! Today's electronic project is simple and easy LED flasher with 555 integrated chip, which is timer. For making you will need basic electronic components like resistors, capacitors and LEDs. For this mini flasher that work from 5 volts up to 9 volt max, I have designed custom-made printed circuit board that I ordered from best prototype service PCBWay. Just look the quality of printed boards. You can choose whatever color you want for boards and more options when you order your custom prototype board. In this package that I got from PCBWay, I have designed 4 different electronic projects, and all of them you will watch on this channel. So subscribe and don't miss a new video. Thanks again to my friends PCBWay for sponsoring this video and sending me these amazing printed circuit boards. Check the link below and make your first order. Back to project. As you can see, I have designed a small board for my mini project with 555 timer chip, which is in this case will be LED flasher with adjustable blinking speed. All components are soldered and you can see the result of simple and easy to make LED flasher with 555 chip. I also made skeleton light interactive gadgets. This will turn on when light is detected. In this case we're gonna use our LED blinker. Chain reaction of LED blinking, just first as actual blinking, others are repeaters. They are so cute and mini gadgets. Please like the video and share. Thanks for watching.